Is your Facebook video showing no sound or Reels audio saying unavailable? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix audio unavailable problem on Facebook Reels. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. After that, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture from here. Then tap on Reels option. After that, tap on Needs Review option. Now here you will see all your Reels videos where the audio is unavailable due to music rights changes. So here you tap on the reel that you want to fix. After that, tap on 3 dots from here. Then tap on Replace Audio. After that, tap on Continue. Now you will see the audio library. Here you select any new music you like. Then tap on Update Audio at the top right corner. After that, tap on Update. Now within a few minutes, your reel audio will be updated. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.